Are you stuck on iPhone unavailable screen like this and don't know what to do? Then here's an easy way to fix it without iTunes or without iCloud, and that is coming up. In order to fix iPhone unavailable problem, you need a Windows or a Mac computer with active internet connection, and after that you need a software called Any Unlock, which you can get from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After the installation, open it up. Once opened, this is the interface. There you will have a lot of options, and from these options select the one that is called Unlock Screen Passcode. Just click on it, then click on Start Now. Next, connect your iPhone to computer using your USB cable. After connecting your phone, your computer will not detect it. So here's what you can do to make your computer detect your iPhone. First of all, press volume up, volume down, and then keep press and holding the power button. Just keep press and holding it. Ignore any messages that you get on your screen. Just keep press and holding it. Basically, I am putting my phone into recovery mode. All you have to do is get your phone into this screen. Now on your computer, this page will pop up. Now you need to download latest version of firmware, aka iOS version. So as you can see, this software is suggesting me to download iOS version 18.5. In your case, it will be different. And there are two ways to download the firmware. The first option is downloading it through the software. If you click on download, the firmware will start downloading. And the second option is downloading the firmware through a browser. If you want to download the firmware through browser, just click on this link. Click OK and open up your favorite browser, and right click and click on paste and go. After that, the firmware will start downloading automatically. So I'm just going to cancel it because I already downloaded the firmware. In order to add the firmware to the software, click on the second option, select your firmware and click on open. After that, wait for the software to verify your firmware. Once it's done, click on Unlock Now and wait for the software to remove passcode from your iPhone. This entire process takes barely 10 to 15 minutes. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? For you, like and subscribe is just a matter of clicks, but for me, it means a world. So thank you so much if you do. Once this software has unlocked your iPhone, it will give you this message. So just close it. And on the other side, wait for your iPhone to restart. Once it's restarted, just go through the setup process. While setting up your iPhone, if you come to this page where it says iPhone lock to owner, if you know your Apple ID and password, just type it here. If you don't know your Apple ID and password, then you can use the other feature of the software that you are seeing on your screen. So in my case, I already know my Apple ID and password, so I'm going to type it. After logging into your Apple ID, just continue setting up your iPhone. If you want to set up a new Face ID or password, you can do so, but I'm going to skip it. I'm just gonna say don't use passcode. After going through the setup process, you will see the screen. Now just swipe up and boom, you will have an unlocked iPhone just like this. Before, this iPhone was saying iPhone unavailable, and now it's completely unlocked. There you have it guys, that is my video on how to fix iPhone unavailable screen. Please let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.